Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can find the CD key for Rainbow Six Siege. In order to do so, here we are at ubisoft.com and we're on the Rainbow Six Siege X page, and you can see that we have the option to access it from different platforms. We've got the Ubisoft Connect, PlayStation, Xbox, and Steam. Now, if you are using any of these and you're looking for the key, well, it depends on which one you're using. With Ubisoft Connect, there is no user visible CD key. By the way, we are checking in with Cider AI here. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers you're looking for. And according to Cider, if you're using Ubisoft Connect, there is no user visible CD key. The game is tied to your Ubisoft account. So sign into Ubisoft Connect with your account you use to purchase, activate the game, and you'll have access. If you bought it on Steam, Steam handles activation, and there is usually no separate CD key for Ubisoft titles on Steam. The game appears in your Steam library and it's linked to your Steam account. If Ubisoft requires linking, sign into Ubisoft Connect and link your accounts. If you bought it on the Epic Game Store, same thing as Steam. The title is tied to your Epic account and will appear in your library. Any required Ubisoft Connect linking is done through account linking. If you bought a physical box copy or an older retail code, if you have a physical box with the printed key, look on the disc sleeve or inside the manual insert for a 16 to 25 character code. For older keys that were redeemed on your Ubisoft account, the key becomes consumed and the game stays linked to your Ubisoft account. You typically cannot view the original key after redeeming. If you've redeemed the key but you've lost proof of purchase, check the storefront you bought it from for order history and receipts. If you purchase it from a retailer, check your email for the purchase confirmation, which may contain the key or order details. If you need to prove ownership to Ubisoft or a retailer, gather transactions IDs, invoice, receipt, or bank PayPal records. Viewing keys for backup. Steam. Some non-Ubisoft games let you view CD keys in the game's property, CD keys in the Steam client, but Rainbow Six Siege generally will not show a key. Ubisoft Connect, there is no CD key UI. If you receive the game as a gift or second hand, ask the seller gifter for proof of purchase or the original account credentials if they transferred ownership. Note that transferring Ubisoft accounts is against their terms and services and not recommended. If the seller provided a key, check the email or message where it was sent. If you're trying to reinstall or recover access, log into the account, whether it's Steam, Epic, Ubisoft, that owns the game, and then download and install it from there. If you can't access the account, use the platform's account recovery options and contact Ubisoft, Steam, Epic support if you have proof of purchase but can't regain access. If you truly need a key or recovery help, contact the store where you bought it first. If it's linked to Ubisoft and you need help, contact Ubisoft support and provide proof of purchase. Important notes and cautions: never use key finder cracker tools or pirated key sites. They are illegal and often contain malware. Do not share account passwords or personal payment information in public or with anyone claiming that they can retrieve keys. Only share information with the official support channels when required. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you are looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the Linktree, you'll get $50 to open up an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you will get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. I can personally vouch for it. Simply Financial is a great bank, comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.